I know the girl don't have much. So I say I go squeeze up the girl in there. So everything's supposed to can pack up in the blood clot dog kennel. So clot, man do with blood clot you. Van, if you have one blood clot man will own you today. I clean low shit for you for 1 month. Not the one that you pay. Not Tarzan where you pay for blood clot promotion. Not him where you pay for promotion. None at all. Remember him grow with a bag of animals and him name Tarzan, so him don't really have much sense, so him no count. A sensible, decent blood clot man will get up with him briefcase and him nice clean office pants with the semen and blood clot pants and him alligator shoes, go to work a morning time, own blood clot. You, I'm a clean Louis shit for 4 blood clot months straight. No pay, you don't have to give me a blood clot that I'm not ask you. You don't have to give me a dollar. Me a clean shit right through without no gloves. No gloves for my finger. Fingernail straight through. Me not ask you. So the blood clot stop right there, so. You have no sensible blood clot man when I look on you. If you put up a blood clot man right now, thump in your blood clot face and lick off the mole in your middle of your blood clot face until you take him down. If you put up a sensible blood clot man, if you put up a sensible blood clot, man, I know him go court go lock up you. I know him go court go lock up you for defamation of character. I not ask you. I not ask you. Oh. Don't stop, don't do it. My mama drop on my blood clot mouth. So anything come out of my mouth, come out of my mouth. I not ask you no. My mama drop on my lip them, my mama lip them big. When I forgot her tune and not see me. No people, I not class Tarzan. Tarzan a nice clean boy. Tarzan a nice clean boy. I know I'm ready, I just sew my for blood clots. So my head hot, cause she outside